The good thing of Kythera is are all the villages. Compared to other smaller Greek islands, Kythera has 64 villages, mainly on the west side, and it's perfect because of this to walk. And all those villages were connected with each other by old footpaths, and many footpaths are still accessible or are becoming again accessible to walk on. Today, this afternoon actually, you arrived at the airport. We are now Chora, and you had lunch and you stay overnight in Kapsali. Later on we will go to Millopotamus, but later on over there I will tell you more about Millopotamus because we are a bit behind schedule already, and we want to show you Chora, which is the capital of the island, a beautiful old town, Venetian. We will show you the Venetian castle. If we have time we will go up to the castle to give you the opportunity to take some pictures, to enjoy the views, and we will walk along the monopathy with number M1 that starts in Chora, going at the west side of the castle, going down to Kapsali. We will visit the cave of Aios Pavlov, St. Paul, and this is a wonderful trek because of the history and the views we will see from there. Again, we are a bit behind schedule, but
Ludovic walks fast.
Okay. I always tell to people who join our walks, I'm a walking guide, I have a tourist office, Pyrgos house in Potamos. This morning I did a wonderful walk around Millopotamus. I always tell to the people on Kythera, you are not in a hurry. Much more, but okay, 130 is enough. So we walk down, you see Panagiotis over there. I want to tell you, you are
I will put this on my CD afterwards.
I hear you laughing from a distance.
Yes, because I had myself.
Okay.
So I don't know if you need to backpack.
I will explain a bit more, but we don't have much time now.
Okay.
Probably tomorrow I will have a bit more time. I don't know if you have been before into a Greek or use the same time to tell you that behind this area, which is the temple in Greek, or the spaces, at the right side of the door, so behind me is always an icon of Christ, on the other side always an icon of Maria, and next to Christ is always an icon of Saint John the Baptist. And